Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can go on Google Maps and find any local business that you want and look at their website and basically get their website and renew their website, redesign, rebuild their website all from scratch. And this is an example of one of those redesigns. This is a local Italian restaurant near me. And you can not only rebuild the site, but you can also automatically publish the site to a custom domain all in one tool called Hosting Your Horizons. So yeah, guys, that's what we're going to be talking about today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. But guys, before we get started with today's video, I'd love to invite you guys to my free Discord community. Link is down below. It's called the Creator Network. We get together every single week to talk about different tools and workflows similar to this. So if you guys are interested in joining, link is down below. All right, so the first thing that we want to do here is we want to go to Google Maps and just look for some type of local business where they have a website already, but their website kind of sucks. So for example, I can just go around here and maybe we can choose this one and I can just click on this website. And as you can see, it's like some type of Italian website. They have 3 different locations. And their website looks like it was built maybe in the year 2004. And now the first thing that we want to do is go to hostinger.com, and I'll add the link to this down in the description below. And Hostinger has something called Hostinger Horizons, where you can basically build out different websites, apps, online stores, AI apps. And in order to get started with this, all you have to do is click on View Plans. And the most popular plan that everyone seems to like the most is the starter plan. You can create up to 25 different websites with this starter plan. You can sell subscriptions with a Stripe connection, add AI chatbots to your website. You have this e-commerce integration to sell physical and digital products, and a bunch of more features like analytics, prompting, free chat mode for help and guidance. Now, once you're ready with this, you can go ahead and click on Select Plan. That's going to take you to this cart page, and you can choose, the period, whether it be 1 month or 12 months. 12 months obviously has by far the best value. And what you can also do to save you some more money is apply my coupon. So Lucas M, click on apply, and as you can see, the price changes to be even more cheaper. And then once you're done with that, you can click on continue. You can then log in if you already have an account, or just register for an account. It's pretty easy. Obviously, you just have to register with a Google email. And then once you're logged in, you're going to see the websites tabs for the Horizons projects. These are some projects that I've been working on in the past. And then you can go ahead and click on Add Website, then choose Hosting Your Horizons. And the great part of this is that it's integrated into Hostinger, which is like the world's best web hosting company. So you don't have to worry at all about getting a custom domain or anything like that. And that's going to take you here where you can just do like a step-by-step guide as to how this works, or you can just click out to just get started. And over here it says, hi there, I'm here to help you build your dream website. Tell me what you'd like to build, a business site, online store, etc. Now, before we put anything here in the prompt, I want to kind of refine our prompt a little bit more. So I'm going to just take this URL and we can go into something like ChatGPT or Claude, and we can say, analyze this website, take screenshots of the website and analyze the design. And then ChatGPT gives us a full analysis of that design. It says UX 6.5 out of 10. The key actions are present, but the hierarchy is messy. And then we can ask ChatGPT to generate a mock-up of how this design can eventually look like. And then it gives us a nice little mock-up that we can use. And I'm just going to write, hey, create a prompt for me to give to Hosting Your Horizons in order to rebuild this site. And then I can just save this image, go back over here to Hosting Your Horizons, upload that image, and then attach that prompt that ChatGPT gave us. And then we can go ahead and submit this. And then Hosting Your Horizons generates a site for us using the exact same design style as the ChatGPT image that we got. And we can go ahead and change certain things. So we can go ahead and click on this edit content. And we can, for example, click on the subscribe button and we can write something like subscribe now. I can also choose this button over here to select and edit. And I can select this button. And I can say something like change the color to black. We can also go ahead and check the mobile responsiveness of the site by clicking up here. We can also go ahead and check the different pages. So we have, for example, the menu page, the locations page, catering, about, contact. And in certain pages, what you can also do is you can select entire sections and say something like, hey, let's add an image gallery below the map. And then once that's done, we can see our image gallery. And now once you're satisfied with the design, you can add more advanced features. So up here in this data tab, we basically can have a data dashboard. So we have to ask Horizons to add features that require data collection. So in our contact page up here, we actually have this contact form. So we can write something like, in the contact page, collect data of the submissions via the contact form. So now once we have that, we have this test data tab and we have this live data tab. And the live data is basically the data that we collect on the live site once we publish it. But I can go back here to our contact page and then just write some random message and then click on send message. And we get our contact submissions over here. And we can also do the same thing with the menu items. So we can connect it to our database so that we can make it easy for the store owner or for the restaurant owner to add or delete or to adjust prices instead of having to go into the website and do it manually like that. So create a database for the menus so that the restaurant owner can adjust the name, description, and pricing. And when we now go to our database, we can see all of the menu items listed, and you can just create a new record for a new menu item and adjust all of the different fields here. Now let's make this actual live data. So we can click on publish site over here or up here on the top right. And this is where, Horizons makes it really easy for you. You can connect it to a custom domain super easily. You can type the domain that you want. So for in this case, I'm just going to write testrestaurant.online. And then once you complete the payment, the domain is now added to your site. So we can click on continue. That takes us back to our project. It might take some time for the actual domain to be connected. But before we actually go to the live link, we can also see 0 visitors in the last 7 days. And we get a analytics view of the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, or the last 30 days all in one place. And last but not least, you can also export your code by going into this code tab over here. And then down here at the bottom, just click on export code. And then you can basically open up that code base anywhere you want, whether it be Claude Code, Codex, whatever it is. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it from my side. We pretty much went from A to Z using hosting your Horizons. And if you have any comments or questions regarding Horizons, please let me know down in the comments below. And guys, like always, thank you all so much for watching today's video. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.